Hi family, good morning. It's actually afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching us from. It's afternoon in Kenya. It's about 2:30 p.m. That noise is from my son. We have decided to dismantle our chicken coops because we had used old stuff, like there were tables, then we just put like transparencies on the sides to make it a house or a chicken coop. But now we feel like it's grown old, and since I'm not having chicken soon, this is a project maybe we shall embark on later on, maybe in future, I don't know when. So we have decided to dismantle everything so that we can also repair that area where the chicken coop was. It doesn't look very good, of course. There's wear and tear, so we want to dismantle everything and then clean up the place very well, because so you see there were chicken and the poop from the chicken is also not very good for the floor. Some of it was going on the floor. So as we dismantle it, we are gonna then the next step is to clean that place very well, and it's a good time because it's raining, so we shall use rainwater to clean that place. There's a lot of rain at the moment, so we shall use rainwater to clean that place. So this is dismantling. Let me just show you what we have done so far. Haitokani, nakataa. Hizo mbao hata kama zilikuwa mzee, zilikuwa mbao si mbaya sana, na kutatokana tu. Si zilikuwa tu hapo kwa hizo mameza tu. Hizo mameza zilikuwa. That's done. One table down. There are some two to go here. There's this one. Oh, the three. Those two there, and this one. So 3 to go. Then we'll be done with this, so that we can repair this place. It doesn't look very good. See how it looks. That's what we want to repair. That's how we want to repair this place. You can see how it's looking. And this water, because this water stands here, so we want to make it in a way the water will flow. We put a slope so that this water flows well. I don't think before it was done it never had a slope, so we're gonna have to put a slope on this end to allow water to flow whenever it rains, flow easily. So it's like goodbye to our chicken coops and chicken project for now. Finally dismantled everything, and this is how the area or the space looks like. You can see it needs some repair. I'm gonna do this in a short while. I'm just cleaning this place now to remove all the dirt so that it can be easy to, fix it up. You can't fix it when it has a lot of mud like.
Always right. Broken heart better than FBI. I had your back, but you just proved me wrong. You proved me wrong. You proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment. You broke it, babe. You stayed at my place, you stay in my way. You said you love me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you's in vain. 'Cause that's just what I get for trusting you, loving you.
We are hacking this place so that because there's some smooth places, so that when we put the sand and cement mixture, it can hold firmly. The floor can hold together. Otherwise it will look like a patch that has been just put on top. That's why we are doing this hacking. It's called hacking. We're going to make sure all the smooth places are hacked. I'm just trying to remove the small stones onto my face, because as you hack, they were hitting back on the face and hey, almost getting into my eyes. I was doing this while closing my eyes. We are done hacking. This is how the place looks like. I hope you can see it clearly. So next is just to sweep all the small pebbles or stones that were coming out. This is a mixture of sand, cement, and the white stuff is waterproof cement. You will realize that there's a lot of shaking of the camera. It's because we were both assisting each other as we take turns. So we were both holding the camera and doing the rest as we assist each other. That's why there's a lot of shaking, and I'm sorry for that.
Perfect Sunday, on the blues. We looked happy, but I was going through it. All my senses, really know it. Set the end.
We are pouring water onto the area, and then after water, we shall put in cement. Then our mixture goes in. That makes sure that it holds very firmly and very well.
My intuition's always right. Don't get hot better than heaven. everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place to stay in my way. You said you love me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you's in vain. 'Cause that's just what I get for trusting you, loving you, taking you for your word. What I get for fucking you, wanting you, when I defending you too. My intuition's always right. Don't get hot better than FBI. I had your back, but you just proved me wrong. You proved me wrong. You proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place to stay in my way. You said you love me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you's in vain. Said I'm not going back, back, back. And I'm not going back, back, back. Said I'm not going back, back.
Have you ever felt like giving up because you tried and tried, but for the 100th time the stars just won't align? Have you ever had a broken heart that even time won't heal, because you'd rather feel the pain than say goodbye? I know I have drowned in holy water, had my spirit shaken. If you've ever felt like this, can I get a amen? Amen. Can I get a amen? Amen. But we won't be knocked down forever. We will rise back up again. So can I get a amen? Amen. Have you ever found you lost your way, sailing a sea of tears, caught in a storm of fears that rages through the night? And do you ever wish that time could stop, so you can finally breathe and find a little peace your life has been denied? Oh, I know I have drowned in holy water, had my spirit shaken. If you've ever felt like this, who can I get a amen? Amen. Can I get a amen? Amen. But we won't be knocked down forever. We will rise back up again. So can I get a amen? Amen. No, we're gonna rise up.
This is how far we have spread the first batch of the mixture. It has gotten finished, so we are going to get more sand. By this time the brown sand is over, so we are going to use the black sand. Mix again and then continue. I'm trying to sort out this sand because it has a lot of pebbles in it, so that it will make our work easier.
Project Sunday, only blue is. We looked heavy, but I was going through it, yeah. All my senses, really know it. Said to end it, but I was leaving you and picking daisies, contemplating. Cause you say things, but never really do, yeah. You're never pulling through for me. My intuition's always right. You just proved me wrong, you proved me wrong, you proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place to stay in my way. You said you loved me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you, cause that's just what I get for trusting you, loving you, taking you for your word. What I get for fucking you, wanting you, why am I defending you too? My intuition's always right. Broken heart better than FBI. I had your back, but you just proved me wrong. You proved me wrong, you proved it. Then everything unfolded, yeah. It happened in a moment, you broke it, babe. You stayed at my place to stay in my way. You said you loved me just to make me sound insane. Everything I did for you's in vain.
Work done. Sidhani itatokea pua.
We are done and we're just feeling so hungry and tired, guys. My son was trying to make faces out of this, but we are so proud of ourselves and what we did. This is the final look. It looks good. Morning. It's a beautiful day. My sore throat is still not gone, but I'm on medication. So I just want to show you the place we repaired yesterday, how it looks like. I love it. I love the place. I am so proud of what we did with my son. And we are not professionals, guys. We are not professionals, but at least we have a clue or an idea. Is my lip swollen? Guy, what's happening to my lips? It looks swollen, or because I've woken up, or what's happening? What's cutting here? Where? Hope not. Shindwe pepo nyeusi. Anyway, so we are not professionals, as I was saying, but at least we have an idea. We know what is supposed to be done. We know how much sand goes to how much cement and stuff like that. So we decided to do this repair by ourselves, and of course we saved some coins. If we called a fundi, we would have paid that fundi like 1,200 just to do that, because angelipisha kazi ya siku nzima. I mean, yeah, but we did it. We have learned. We watch what the fundis do, and we have learned by the days. So let me just show you how actually it looks like, and then let me know, guys. Let me know what you think about it. Okay. So this is how it looks like. We decided to put our hands, our handprints on this place to show that we are the ones who did it. This is my son's handprint on the right hand, and my right hand print, like our signature, right? So this is how it looks like. I think it looks good. So far so good. And then it did not rain, so I just want to water this place. We were glad it did not rain before we finished, because it would have messed us up. So I just want to water it. That's how it looks like. The difference between this and that is because of the sand we used. We used brown sand on this, then it got finished. That's what we had. Then this is gray, or the black sand. That's why there's a discrepancy or a difference between the two patches. And then after you did this part, it got finished, then we mixed more for this part. So that's how it looks. I have just watered. That's how it looks like. So I'm looking to see that water is flowing, but it seems there are some places, of course, we didn't have the tools for measuring the level of the place. So this place, there's still water, some water standing here, which we are trying to avoid. We're trying to curb this, but it seems we did not do it as it should. But as I said, we are learning. As long as the flow looks okay, it's okay. Yeah, we didn't want to have this kind of a thing. We were trying to do away with this. See this? We're trying to make sure that water does not stand here, so that it does not spoil the floor. But it seems it's flowing slowly. We put a slope, but not a very good one. So it's flowing slowly. Right now I'm not going to sweep it. I want it to sink into the thing. Let it just sink in. So I'll just leave it as it is.